Hey gems, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made my flower braid wall. I used this 72-inch hair. I think I used about 4 or 5 packs. To start the braid, I used a hair tie and I just did like a knot, slip knot, so that way it could be secure and I wasn't using the rubber band. Then you see me just start making 3 sections like you do any braid. I use this rack on the door so I could have something to braid against and start the braid. So you see me preparing how I'm going to make those 3 even spots. Now I'm braiding down. When you start braiding, you want to braid it loosely, not tight, loose, because you're going to fluff out the braid. You'll see me do that very soon. I'm adding in hair to give it some volume because those ponytail bundles do not be holding a lot of hair. So I just started adding in hair. This look for this wall was literally inspired by my brain. I'm just kidding. I was looking at macrame. I really wanted to do some type of macrame with braiding here. I seen a lot of girls had the flower wall and I was like, I love flowers. I still want to incorporate flowers, but I'm a braider. How can I do a signature wall for all my clients to take a picture? So I literally did this paper of scribble scrabble of my vision. I literally could not sleep one night and I just started sketching out what was in my head. And this is what I came up with. As you can see right here, I am adding in the beach curl hair. This is just some leftover crochet hair. I wanted to give it kind of like a boho look on each braid. As you see me do this, you're going to see just the process. I literally just had an idea, and as I went, I just started adding things. You don't see me pulling at the curls for this part because that'll mess up the hair. So yeah, you just braid it all the way down and you want to create a knot or something so this doesn't come out. So you just see me braiding like so. Once you're done, you want to start fluffing like this. And you're just loosely pulling, not too much. You're not pulling too hard. Just loosely start pulling from the braid and just start fluffing it and molding it how you would when you're just trying to fluff out a braid. It's kind of like a butterfly braid. So I'm just fluffing and pulling and stretching and pulling. This is a process in itself. You just continue to do that until it is at your liking. You don't want to rush the process because it can really mess up the braid. So you want to make sure as you're fluffing out the braid that you're just taking your time. As you pull from the sides, make sure you pull the long way and just keep going it back and back, back and forth, back and forth. And you can see right here, you want to fluff it all the way down. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment, and follow me on all my platforms, Slayed by Gemma on Instagram and Facebook, and Gemma Gem and Gem on TikTok and on here. Thank you. I appreciate you. Right here, I am trying to see how it would look on the piece of wood that I have. I don't have the measurement, but you can clearly get a thin piece of wood and cut it to the length you desire. So once I did that, now I'm moving on and I'm doing the rest of the braids. on to painting the piece of wood black. I wanted to paint it black because in case a part of it is showing, you don't see it. Of course, I'm covering it with the braid, but in case the braid does not cover the whole slab of wood, then the black will give the illusion that it's a part of the braid. I hope this all makes sense, but this is what I am doing right here. I'm just simply painting it all black. Now I am painting the wall that I wanted to hang up on white. I just felt like it'll look so much better with a white background. So that's why I'm painting the wall white. I'm just showing you the entire process of how I created the picture braiding wall that I have. So right here, you see me gluing with the hot glue gun, the flowers. I already hung up the braiding wall, but these flowers I got from the Dollar Tree, and I cut it off with wire cutters, all the wiring, so that way it'll just be the flower. And I'm simply just going in the pattern. I have, as you can see, yellow, pink, red, and all of that. And now I am hanging up pictures. To complete this wall, I have got some pictures of my top models, which is my kids, who are also my inspiration. I wanted to incorporate them in this just to look at them as daily reminders of why I do what I do. Even though I love what I do, it's nice to see them as my top models. So yeah, you can see right here, I am hanging up pictures. I am not... Disclaimer, I am not like some professional decorator type of thing. I just kind of go and look at YouTube videos or TikToks and figure out how to do this. So as far as picture hanging, I got it from YouTube. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace and hair grease.